I want to hire you for a paid internship with me to learn everything about Amazon FBA and basically to help me run my company, Performance Nut Butter. And the short version of this is it's going to be a paid internship. I need help. I need help running my company. And not only is it going to be a paid internship, but my goal is to eventually sell my company. I'm hoping to sell it for, the original goal is 1.5 million, but I'd even be happy with $1 million. But it's going to take some work to grow it to that point. And this is where you come in. And I'm going to tell you how to apply for this position in just a minute, but I want to tell you a little bit about the position itself. So not only is the internship going to be paid, but I'm thinking about giving a pretty sizable bonus if you can help me to grow the company and sell it. I'm thinking around $50,000 bonus if we can sell the company for that million, 1.5 million range. And all those details, salary, all that kind of stuff, I'll talk about later. Like what I want to do, and it's negotiable because what I'm looking to do is I'm getting you to apply, and then based on your qualifications, based on all those different things, let me know how much you would want as a salary. And obviously that's going to be a competitive factor for who I hire. But this is a dream job, a dream opportunity. This is the opportunity I wish I would have had out of college because, you know, I've talked about it before, but I got stuck in the corporate world and it was soul sucking. My goal is to teach you basically how to start and run a company. And then my goal is, I mean, it's up to you, but my goal is ultimately in 2 years, if we sell this company, for you, if you want to be able to go start your own company. You'd have a lot of money to be able to go start a company, or if you want to continue working with me, I'm definitely open to that as well. But this isn't one of those kind of corporate jobs where it's like, here, come join me for the next 40 years, unless that's what you want. If that's what you want, then we can talk about it. But it's a dream internship opportunity where I'm going to share everything. I mean, I share a lot on this YouTube channel, but I'm going to share behind the scenes things and you're going to get paid. And the reason I'm doing this is I want to get someone that is hungry, someone of high caliber, someone that's willing to work hard. And please do not apply, I don't want anyone to apply for this job that isn't willing to work hard. Like my goal is to grow this company. My company right now is worth somewhere between $250,000 to $500,000, $500,000 on a good day. And I'm looking to double, if not triple it. And I'm going to need your help for this. And as I've talked about in some previous videos, I've kind of gotten a little bit burnt out on Performance Nut Butter. I'm doing a lot of work running this YouTube channel. I love making these YouTube videos. I love teaching. And ultimately, I want to do more of the YouTube stuff. I have another business, another passion product company. I have a few actually passion product companies, but one specifically I've never talked about before that I want to start spending a lot more time on. And I'm probably going to end up filming some videos about this. And anyways, the moral of the story is, if you want to apply to be my intern, to work with me one-on-one and get paid to do it, this is what I want you to do. I want you to film a video of yourself, and please do not do a vertical video, please do a horizontal video. And I want it to be, let's say, somewhere between 2 to 5 minutes. I want you to film a video and send it to my email, travis@effectiveecommerce.com. I'll put a link down below with my email down below in the description. And these are the things that I want you to answer in it. First off, tell me about yourself. Tell me your education, your work history, all those kind of random details. First thing I want you to do is there. Then I want you to tell me why you want this position. Why you want this position, and then after that, why you think you're a good fit, why you think I should hire you. Then I want you to do something a little bit different. I want you to tell me what your favorite book you've ever read is. And then the last thing I want you to do is tell me if you could meet anybody at any point in time in history and have a conversation with them, who would it be and why? And then after all those things, those are the 5 things that I need you to answer in the video. But after you do all 5 of those things, if there's anything at the end of the video you want to add in that those questions didn't cover, feel free to do it. Again, between 2 to 5 minutes. And when you send the email, travis@effectiveecommerce.com, what I want you to do is put as the subject line, I want to work for you. But if you want to learn more about this opportunity and kind of part of the reasons why I decided to hire someone, why I've kind of gotten burnt out on my Amazon FBA company, I did this video right here. And I actually started a new YouTube channel that's going to be, it's called Travis Talks, and it's just going to be kind of rants. It's going to be a little less polished and a little bit more raw. And this is one of the first videos I posted on the channel where I go into detail on why I want to hire you as my intern. So click on that video. I'll see you in the next video, and make sure to submit your resume by March 1st.